Rich Edit. I'm a research consultant and I'm working with mywordai.com. Okay, so quick one. Today I will show you how to use Chatgpt to draft a perfect literature review summary. Actually, this is going to be the updated 2025 step-by-step guide. Okay, do you know that writing a literature review summary doesn't have to take weeks? In this video, you will learn how to use Chatgpt for a perfect literature review summary. Whether you are working on your thesis, your dissertation, research paper, or academic project. So this 2025 step-by-step guide I will show you would help you know exactly how to prompt Chatgpt effectively, organize academic sources, summarize key findings, and synthesize research gaps like a pro. And you will also discover how to write a literature review chapter that's original, well structured, and aligned with your university academic standard. So just watch to the end, because by the end of this video you will know how to write a strong literature review summary in a thesis or dissertation using Chatgpt. You will also know how to use Chatgpt to generate and refine your literature review in research papers and proposals as well. And I'll also show you how to structure and format your chapter 2 literature review for any academic writing project. And I'll also show you common mistakes to avoid when using AI tools for research writing. So this video is perfect for MSc, PhD, and undergraduate students who want to save time and produce high quality academic work. Watch now and master how to use this tool. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, to like, share, and comment. Okay, let's go. So, literature review summary. What is literature review summary? Of course, what is the purpose of this literature review summary? Okay, now a literature review summary provides a concise synthesis of the major findings, themes, and theoretical perspectives discussed in the literature review chapter. It highlights what has been established in previous research, identifies gaps or inconsistencies in the existing body of knowledge, and explains how the present study contributes to filling those gaps. Essentially, it serves as a bridge between the reviewed literature and the current research, demonstrating how prior studies inform the study's conceptual framework, methodology, and objectives. So the purpose of this summary is to consolidate the key insight from the reviewed studies, show the logical flow of ideas, and position the current research within the broader academic discourse. So it does not introduce new information, rather it distills the essence of the preceding discussion and emphasizes the rationale for the present investigation. Okay, I'm going to quickly run through the key elements of a literature review summary. So, synthesis of key themes and findings. Summarize the central argument, patterns, and trends emerging from the reviewed studies. Highlights consensus areas among scholars as well as points of divergence or debate. Identification of research gaps. Clearly states what is missing or unexplored in the existing literature. Example, contextual gaps, methodological limitations, or theoretical weakness. Explain why addressing these gaps. Explain why addressing these gaps is essential. Link to theoretical and conceptual frameworks. Briefly connect the reviewed literature to the theoretical models or concepts underpinning the current study. Show how previous research supports or challenges the theoretical stance adopted. Relevance to the current study. Explain how the literature informs the study's objectives, hypotheses, or research questions. Emphasize how your research builds upon, extends, or differs from earlier studies. Transition to the next chapter. So you have to end with a smooth transition statement leading into the methodology chapter, noting that the identified gaps in theoretical insight guided the choice of research design, data collection, and analysis method. Okay, so that's the few and of course brief explanation for literature review summary, key elements and its purpose. Now let's quickly see how we can write that using Chatgpt and of course our customized prompts. So you open your system, go to your browser, see I'm already on it. I'll click on my customized prompts, and then I'll go and get my requirements as my project topic. Just copy them and then return back to my browser to my customized prompts, tests, then I'll enter. Perfect. So I'm not going to start with chapter 1 because we are not writing on that. So I'll prompt it to go directly and start writing chapter 2.5, which is the literature review summary. So let's wait while it's probably ask us few questions again before proceeding to writing or generating it. Okay, now so he said before I proceed, please confirm, would you like this session, chapter 2.5, to be written immediately now, approximately 700 to 800 words, with complete citation and references? So I will just say next, either next or yes, whichever one. This is good. This is very good. So that's that. So you can see it has generated the literature review. Generated the literature review and verified references. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. Perfect. That is all. That is just it. Few minutes, you are done. Few minutes, you've gotten your literature review summary. So all you have to do, you copy it, go to your Microsoft, paste and edit, do some necessary editing, and then after that you verify your references and do your humanization or your humanizing. You humanize it and then your work is ready. So that's it for verification of references. That will be in another video. For humanization, it will also be in another video, because we have tool for humanizing your work. So what you have to do, please, is to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share, and also don't forget to click the notification button so that whenever we post our video, you'll be able to see our updates. Thank you so much.